Oh my gosh, bro, look at that. We have made it. We dropped off our stuff at the Airbnb, and now we are headed on our first journey for food.
Through the favelas.
Through the favelas, as you can tell. And when we come back, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of our trip while we're out here in Cancun.
We don't even know what we're
We don't even know what we're, but we have a list of stuff. It's just a matter of allocating the days and the time that we're gonna do each. Also, our B&B is out here in downtown Cancun, where a lot more locals are, and we haven't seen any tourists yet. I think we're like the only ones. We stick out like sore thumbs.
No fine hyenas either.
Cheers.
To the arrival.
To the arrival. Little boat. Today is our first full day in Cancun, though we are spending most of the day at Isla Mujeres, which is a small little island 20 minutes off the coast. Hopefully we get to do some snorkeling, and we're gonna eat traditional Mexican food. But before we go, I'll give you a quick tour of our... All right, you enter in through here. Got a very spacious living room and kitchen. Ignore that. We got the 2 bedrooms. This is the bathroom that I'm using. This is me bedroom. Tight. And then this is the bedroom that Daniel's staying in. And he's also got full bathroom. And this place was like less than 100 a night for like 5 nights. Off to get some breakfast. Breakfast tacos. It is hot and humid here. I think the highs this whole week are like low 80s. And then the lows are like mid to low 70s. We got tortas for breakfast. Policia.
These like kind of super narrow streets.
Walking through these little streets, and we're looking for a golf cart. Didn't like that.
And the fastest one.
The fastest one.
The fastest
we need
one.
500 cc's.
A turbo on.
We ended up going with $75 till 5 o'clock. Where are we going? where are we going? Playa? Aquí? A la playa aquí? They got zip lines. All right, we're at the south side of Isla Mujeres. No, we didn't get VIP package, but we got a package. So we got snorkeling,
But they don't have
zip
to know
line,
that.
food and drinks,
We can pretend
unlimited.
Like we're loaded.
Hey, we got super VIP package.
We got the platinum package.
That's probably why it was only 50 bucks per person, all included. Snorkeling, mid. Beer served in plastic cups, mid. Food, mid. Hopefully ziplining is at least fun. All right, we're done with that one place. Definitely abandoned. It's like an abandoned resort. We gotta ride this thing, bro. Isla Mujeres.
Oh, his mouth is all torn up.
It's like a broken boat or something. Yeah, look at shipwreck. This boat is fully underwater. Woo! What? Oh, look at that. Final stop on Isla Mujeres before we eat. Playa Norte, the North Beach. Northmost side of Isla Mujeres. Look at that. Woo! Look at this.
But you have to eat the flour. That's on their menu.
It tastes like... Got the porn star martini.
And I got grass.
He got the Isla Mule. Not a Moscow Mule, an Isla Mule. Finished a delicious dinner, and now we are headed back to the ferry to go back to Cancun. It's quite beautiful out here, man. Not even gonna lie. Look at that. Woo! That is a wallpaper right there. Back in
Action.
mi casa. Good morning. We're out here in Parque de las Palapas. Well, I heard it's more popping at night. Like this is like a kind of a nighttime vibe. These are the prices that I've been wanting.
Yeah.
Like $5 a whole meal. Tacos de pastor. Parte dos. Gracias.
No. Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
You. We out here in Hotel Zona Hotelera. Oh yeah, look. Spooderman. It kind of looks like Universal Studios City Walk or Hollywood and Highland kind of thing. Damn. Now we're cutting through and going to the beach. Dude, yeah. Shirts is coming off because we out here in the beautiful beaches of the Zona Hotelera. Took a little dip in the water. It's real nice, but there's a lot of rocks right on the shore, so I stubbed my toe already. That boy's all the way out there. Apparently there's crocodiles in these waters. Now this is mad sketchy, brev. They got the Huracans and the McLarens. We are at the Plaza Las Americas, the American Plaza, the American Mall. Relaxing a little. Got some Haagen-Dazs smoothies. Paper straws, one of the worst inventions of humankind. These ain't working, bro. It's literally disintegrating.
5:14.
So it's gonna rain for 2 hours, bro, and we gotta walk back now. Now it's like pouring. You could hear it too. You might be able to see it low key. Bro,
This is phantom.
granted we kind of are in shade, but I am still getting wet. Hey yo, 3 out of the days that we've been here, it did say it was gonna rain. And finally today, oh my gosh, bro, look at that. We are caught in a thunderstorm and we have to get back to our place. But all the taxis are overcharging. Oh my gosh. We did not expect this at all. Oh my god. Dude, well, for 400 pesos, getting back. It seems like we caught a quick little break in the rain. So we're going out, get some dinner before it starts raining again. Oh, our neighbors, our new homies. Yeah. Woke up before the sun even woke up, man. But yeah, we have to grab a quick breakfast bite real quick and then take the bus or Uber or something so we can meet up with the scuba diving instructor. It's 6:30 a.m. and look at how busy these streets are. We out here in the Real Inn as we watch the sunrise. Oh, that looks beautiful, man. It's golden hour. Look at that. Scuba diving was a very successful and very fun experience. First time ever doing that. It was hard to kind of like mitigate the breathing, you know? Breathing in and breathing out only through your mouth with the tank on. Having to bite down on that thing the whole time.
You could breathe in and out through your nose if you wanted to. It would just be harder. The smell and stuff.
Yeah! Here we are. Mercado 28. Oh man.
Trying to enjoy a meal, and everybody's down here trying to sell us something. They even got little 10-year-olds walking around to every table trying to sell you something, bro. And we're just out here trying to eat, dog.
US number 7. Canada and Hungary.
So our Moroccan Netherlands brothers just left for their flight. Apparently they're going to America, so we gave them some tips.
No way you can take that on the plane, bro. No tequila for me. No tequila for me. Sí.
You're gonna have the red one.
Is it actually that bad?
I'll take this one.
Oh! Why is it salty, bro?
I'll take this one.
Wait, hold on. I need to wash that flavor out of my mouth. Real Cubanos now, man. I'm Tony Montana. It's what belong to me, yeah? Looks like we're the only ones
right.
on this excursion.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, brother.
The bus to ourselves, the show bus.
The whole excursion to ourselves. Dorado. Alright, here we are on our private tour with Diego. Puerto Morales. There's like no wave. And we're just gonna swim out to where that buoy is. Probably can't even see it. Like maybe a couple 100 yards. So, good eats, bien comida. And now, cenotes, ATVs, zip lines. What's up, doggy? We're in the jungle, man. Puma.
There are jaguars, pumas, spiders.
Sakatun?
One of the largest underground river systems in the world.
Oh, wow.
All the cenotes
They kind of connect.
connected by this under-
If it's all connected to the ocean, is it like salt water?
No, it's from here to the ocean. So
Oh,
here is
so it exits in the
fresh.
ocean.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Time to switch cameras to the GoPro. Gracias.
De nada, amigo. Todo bien.
Uh-oh, I'm going backwards, brother. I'm going backwards, brother. Does hurt my waist. Emma, mis huevos. Yeah, mi primero.
Ay, no mames, güey.
Mi-
Aquí ven esa peda.
Like Spider-Man?
Let go, Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man.
A jaguar den. Into the caves, brother.
For Mayan people, for us, cenotes are secret. Get the energy from the sun to make a wish and jump from here, okay? Before, the tradition was to tie a stone and offer ourselves as sacrifice.
Not me, brother.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, dude. You can't see much because it's way too dark, but it goes down like 60 feet. Danny and our tour guide Diego are going down. I can't do it because I can't hold my breath that long. First cenote, and this is probably the best experience of Cancun.
Third one is salud. Smell. We go straight to the belly and we breathe out by drinking. And you breathe out.
That was smooth.
Salud. Oh,
How was it?
that one was good.
Yeah.
Navy SEAL, get up there. Get up there, son. Yeah, go underwater. Face first.
Now, comida.
Back and more tired than ever. Now we're getting some snacks.
We are alive. We made it.
We are
Big
alive.
time diving day.
This is perfect, bro. The temperature's not too hot. It's not raining,
Dude, it's chilly.
but there are some clouds in the sky. There's a little
It's 130
breeze.
degrees. It's cold.
Today is our last day actually. It's our last day in Cancun, so adios Cancun. En la mañana, we leave to Playa del Carmen, and the trip continues then. All right, man. Gotta check out by 11 and it's like 10:10 now. But the trip's not over yet. This is only part 1. Parte dos is in Playa del Carmen. And we're not leaving without, this one has to be a spider bite, bro. I got like 3 or 4 mosquito bites on my legs.
I think you got hit by a horny mosquito.
Wanted to suck me, bro. That is some good food, brother. Haha, parte dos.